It's trying to start a conversation with settler Canadians about decolonization and their lack of connection with Indigenous people, whether they be Indigenous, Métis, or Inuit. My name is Tracy May Chambers. I'm a member of the Métis Nation of Ontario. I'm a visual artist.
I think her intervention or installation is amazing and beautiful and striking against this white colonial house.
The weaving and such, when you just have one string, it's this amount of strength. But if I had two strings, it's stronger. And I have three strings, it's stronger. But then if I have the strings going the other direction, it's stronger again. And that's sort of how I think things have to heal.
For 40 years, Schneider House told the story of 1 year in the history of this space. We didn't really acknowledge the people who were on this land before these settlers came. Having Tracy May's work here supports reconciliation and expand the perspectives we portray.
Red was the right color. It's a color of power, it's a color of passion, it's a racial slur. You know, there's a whole myriad of emotions that come with the color red. It is hard to heal. So maybe just something that's ever so slightly cheerful with a political meaning starts that conversation, and maybe the conversation is the starting point, and that's all I care about, is just start the conversation.